Hi everybody, it's a very good morning to you. My name is Willis Watafi Afirika and I represent ZIMU, the Zimbabwean Union of Musicians as well as United Artists. We are here today at number 17 Tackley Drive in Sentosa, where we're witnessing the handover ceremony of a house that was promised to Dr. Chinks Chindaira, who is one of our liberation musicians and hero of our nation. And we just want to celebrate the footprint of those who have come before us and the footprint of those who have shaped the future that we live in today. And Dr. Chinks Chindaira is one of them. And we're here to witness the handover of the house promised to him by Zima, Sir Joseph Nyadzayo, and of course a lot of vision partnerships, Zimbabwe Rugby, Paul, as well as Potnex International. We're here to witness all that, and we just want to say thank you to everybody who's been part of this. Thank you to Zimbabwe musicians. Thank you to everyone, the government who's been part of this, and make sure that it's happening. There is hope after all in Zimbabwean music. Thank you very much. Willis Watafi Africa. I'm out. Kaya Roots Music.
Yes, and one more. What does it mean to the Zimbabwean musicians?
Well, to the Zimbabwean musicians, it means that we have hope. There's hope after all. You know, you carry on doing what you do. And to me, Comrade Chinks Chindaira is like Bob Marley. You know, one of the people that actually liberated a nation, a people, a culture, using music without having to use a weapon. And there's hope after all. Let's be passionate about what we do. We are on the rise, and we are here to make sure to see it through, and that he leaves a legacy. And I'm glad that he actually lives to see the actual house and actually enjoy it. Thank you to Zima. Thank you.